Being financially literate means knowing how to handle your money in order to keep your finances healthy and ensure that you're making the best possible decisions in terms of saving, spending, investing, and borrowing. In the long run, these decisions will help you secure your financial future. So it's worth learning how to be financially literate as soon as possible. Becoming financially literate doesn't happen overnight, but by following some rules and being disciplined, you can be on the right way. So here are 4 rules of being financially literate that can help you keep your spending in check and your assets safe. Watch this video all the way through so you don't miss anything. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fascinating Self. Now, let's get started. These simple rules that we will give you today will elevate your money game and take you to a whole other level you've never seen before, as long as you're hungry and dedicated. Everything is easily accessible with a couple of Google searches. In this world, every person gets to choose their career path. If you love math, you can become an engineer. If you love writing, you can start a blog or write a book. If you love biology, you can become a doctor. If you are entrepreneurial, you can start a business. The choices are endless. But no matter which career path you choose, you will be working for the same thing: money. As financial literacy encompasses various aspects that actively affect our day-to-day life as well as our future well-being, becoming financially literate is an important step to being in control of your life. It gives you the confidence that you know how to use money smartly to meet your needs. While it is easy to think that the problem is often the lack of money, that is rarely the case. Financial literacy is not just for when you have a lot of money, but it is about knowing how to plan your finances regardless of your income. This is why it's important to learn it early and keep practicing and using the knowledge you gain. So, who needs financial literacy skills? The good answer is everyone. People will spend years of their life getting degrees in countless career fields, but the skill that everyone needs to have, managing money, gets overlooked by the majority of them. The good news is that it doesn't take years to become financially literate. You can learn the basics of good financial management by reading a couple of books, and you can become financially literate in just a few weeks. To improve your financial literacy, you need to apply some rules. Rule number 1, know yourself. In order to change or improve your financial situation, you'll have to have a strong sense of what your financial situation looks like. The first thing to do is get very familiar with your spending habits. Especially in the age of debit cards and Venmo, most of us spend our money without actually realizing how much we're spending and what we're spending it on. Use your banking apps or print out your bank statement and go through it with multicolored pens. How much are you spending a month on eating out? What about gas or transportation? Once you know how much you're currently spending, you can begin assessing what needs to be adjusted. You may be really surprised about what you can trim. The second thing you need to do, and this can be scary, check your credit score. Your credit score is assigned to you based on your financial history and your relationship to paying off debts. A good credit score is necessary for a lot of things in life: getting a loan, buying a car, renting an apartment, and so on. Your credit report will also include bill payments you've made, outstanding balances in your name, your debt-to-income ratio, etc. Knowing your credit score is crucial for knowing what kinds of financial options you currently have and for knowing where you can improve your financial patterns. Rule number 2, don't invest in what you don't understand. Investing is essential, especially if you want to double your money. Working for someone else will never ever get you affluent in the long run. You must begin investing. There are many multiple types of investments such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and forex to name a few. But I want you to know about the single most significant investment: in yourself. Make an investment in yourself before you can invest in anything else. You must first create your money-making machine, your intellect. Obtaining the information required to run a business, including financial education, is not optional. Your industry and specialty will eat you alive unless you keep up to speed on what's going on. Stay up to date on all the information that matters to you and your success. If you buy or create a business, you will probably at one point want to expand it. If you want to do so, you need to put some money into your business for it to grow. It's like a car. To make it run, you have to put gas in it. And a business is no different. To keep growing, it needs to be fed money. Investing in your business might be anything from marketing to research or developing a new product. Real estate investing, like other investments, are basically buy low and sell high. A simple concept with very complicated steps. Most real estate investors begin with conventional residences before moving on to the commercial real estate, hotels, large commercial centers, offices, and other properties. You locate units or structures with potential that have been neglected, repair them, wait for the price to grow, and then sell the unit to make a profit. Purchase stocks. Stocks, also known as shares, are a portion of a corporation that is available for purchase by the general public. When you acquire stocks, you gain the right to a portion of the company's profits, which is equal to your initial investment. The stock market, like any other investment, is rather dangerous, and many individuals lose a lot of money in it. So these four forms of investments are the most essential and well-known. However, regardless of the form of investment you make, you must understand what you're getting into. There are standards to obey, but there is also a lot of misinformation out there. Many people are prepared to con you merely to get your money. As a result, you must be extremely cautious about who you listen to, conduct an extensive study before investing in something new, or seek advice from a specialist in that area. Ideally, someone with skin in the game. Always remember this rule: never invest in something that you do not understand. Rule number 3, managing debt and saving money. While debt isn't universally bad, it can cause you financial worries and keep you from achieving financial freedom. Therefore, it's important to take control of your debt to avoid the dire consequences that come with massive debt. To get out of debt, ensure your monthly payments outweigh your credit card use and the interest charged. Always find ways to increase your income and reduce your expenses. When repaying debts, be sure to consider interest rates, long-term costs, as well as the benefits of the loans. If you're having trouble managing your debt, you may want to increase financial literacy through financial education and therefore increase your sources of income. Once you start to have several cash inflows, think about saving money. Saving money is incredibly important as it comes with many proven benefits. Along with enabling you to make big purchases, saving helps you cover unexpected expenses. The future is always uncertain, and you can never know which unexpected expenditure will come your way. It could be an expensive medical bill, sudden loss of income, unexpected car repair, and many other emergencies. Additionally, saving money can help you avoid debt, reduce your financial stress, and provide you with a greater sense of financial freedom. Saving money takes discipline and a certain amount of sacrifice. With the help of financial literacy resources, you can develop better saving habits. However, even though there is usually interest earned on your savings, the main reason for saving is not always this. And that is one main way it differs from investments. You always expect more money from an investment. And because of this, it can be a quite risky endeavor. Being financially literate will expose you to investment options that suit you and see that you're properly aware of the risk and learn to manage it. Rule number 4, think rich. Thinking rich means seeing and behaving rich. Essentially, you're taking on the role of a wealthy individual, which may involve living beyond your means. Living below your means is a protective idea coined by financial experts that, for the most part, is sound advice. I mean, we shouldn't live above our means because this is how most people wind themselves in serious financial difficulties. You must spend your money on things that give you confidence and make you feel good as long as you're disciplined and intelligent with your money. Do you believe that forgoing a few Starbucks coffees could make you a millionaire? Well, rather than living below your means and saving pennies here and there, begin learning new talents that will earn you money to finance your chosen lifestyle. This one method will have a huge influence on your mindset. You will start to notice opportunities in areas where you can generate money. Rule number 5, budgeting. With a financial plan in place, it becomes easy to see where your money is coming from and going. This means you can now become the controller of money and allocate it to the right places. A budget helps you determine how to break down your earnings to meet your needs. There are different budgeting strategies because everyone has different needs and hence different approaches to using money. The different strategies can be adapted to suit your style and achieve your financial goals. So folks, this is the end of the video. Let us know in the comments if you want us to make more videos like this. Don't forget to like and share this video if you like it. See you in the next video!